Hi everybody, well I haven't uploaded a video to this channel for a long time, have you? But I am committed to getting back on the channel and uploading some gadget technology and photography videos. But I thought I'd start with this baby. This is my new Android phone that I picked up a couple of weeks ago. It's the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, or Fan Edition. It's like the cheaper version of the S20. But I've got to say, I am absolutely amazed by this phone and the performance that it gives. Now, a little bit of backstory actually. You know, if you've been around the channel for a while, you know that when Android first came out, I first used to have some quite nice phones. I started off with like the HTC Desire, that was a really nice phone. The Samsung Galaxy Nexus, that was almost a flagship phone for Google, and it had like the curved screen. But they were really expensive, and I kind of moved towards having a all-you-can-eat SIM. I got a SIM off Virgin, which is unlimited data, unlimited calls, unlimited text, that sort of thing, which was really good. But over the last few years, it started to go up and up in price. Up to the point now where it's £30 a month, which was kind of okay for a all-you-can-eat SIM. But the phones I was using with it were bottom of the range Motorola Android phones, which, don't get me wrong, they were okay. They did the job as a daily driver, if you like. But they didn't give you kind of that flagship super smooth experience. So when an offer came out from Virgin, so for £30, so for the same price I was paying a month, I could get one of these. I thought, well, why not? Obviously, I'll switch into a contract rather than just kind of pay monthly. And so I got this, the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. Now, this is the non-5G version. So I've got this bit of paper in so I can read the details on it. So this is the one with the, let's have a look. This has got the Mongoose in, is it? Is it got the octa-core? It's platform, CPU. Mongoose M5 Cortex. It's not the Snapdragon, because the Snapdragon one I think is on the 5G. Yeah, so this is the non-Snapdragon one. And I did a lot of research into the phone, you know, looking at reviews, and people were saying, well, you know, the beauty with the 5G version is that it has you know, this better processor in, so it's better for games, and you know, it feels snappier and stuff like that. But the other thing is you couldn't really get the 5G version. They weren't available, but you could get this version. The 5G version was also kind of more expensive. So I went for this version, and I've got to say, I am absolutely amazed. It plays games fine. You know, I've played what have we got? Call of Duty Mobile. I play PUBG Mobile. The frame rate is excellent. The clarity is excellent. You know, the resolution, and this display is so cool as well, and so smooth as you're scrolling around, because it's at 120 frames per second. So it's like iPhone smooth. Probably won't come across in the video at all. Also has 6 GB of memory and 120 GB of storage on board, and I've got a 32 GB SD card on there as well. Seems to take very nice photos. Has three cameras. So we've got a wide-angle lens, a normal lens, and a 2x zoom lens, and then obviously you've got digital zoom as well. Takes very nice video as well. And overall, I've got to say, for £30 a month, I've been blown away. It kind of makes me regret just having that burner phone for so long and not having the high-end experience. Now, it doesn't come with this case. I put this cheap case on it. It's got a screen protector on the front. It's got a screen protector over the lenses at the back. But overall, I've got to say, if you're looking for an Android phone, do not discount the S20 FE non-5G version, because I've been very pleased with this, and I'm looking forward to using it, you know, for the next few years, because it's so smooth, so fast, and just a joy to use. Anyway, that's enough from me. What do you think? Put your questions and comments down below. If you enjoyed the video, hit like. If you want to see more, press subscribe, and I will of course see you again soon.